Welcome. This is a gentle 6-minute morning yoga stretch designed to slowly awaken the body and calm the mind as you begin your day. Let's start in a comfortable seated position, whatever feels right for you right now. Take a deep breath in. Sweep your arms up overhead and exhale. Lean gently to the left hand on the mat, right arm reaching over. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, lean over to the right. Nice stretch through the left side. Inhale once more, arms high. Exhale, twist to your left, placing your right hand on your knee, left hand behind you, gentle spinal twist. Breathe here. Inhale again, arms up. Exhale, twisting now to your right. Let the breath guide your movement. Music fades in softly. Gently return to center and give your arms a light shake. You can sway a little side to side, loosening up. Extend your right arm out to the side and plant the hand lightly on the mat. Begin to draw your left ear toward your left shoulder. Option to gently roll the chin up and down here to explore the neck. When you're ready, switch sides, left arm out, grounding through the fingers. Right ear draws toward right shoulder. Feel free to add gentle movement. Release. Shake it out. Let's transition to tabletop position. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. From here, shift your hips back towards your heels for child's pose. Forehead or one cheek rests down. Knees can be wide for more space. Allow your breath to deepen, melting into the mat with every exhale. Music continues softly. When you're ready, slowly rise back up to tabletop. On an inhale, arch your back, lift the heart, gaze up. Exhale, round the spine, drawing belly in. A few rounds of cat-cow, moving with your breath at your own rhythm. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, round and pull back into child's pose briefly. Then roll forward, lowering down onto your belly. Come onto your forearms for a gentle Sphinx pose. Lift through the heart, shoulders soft. Engage the core just slightly and breathe into the front of the body. Option to look over your right shoulder and then over your left. Gently lower down. Tuck your toes under. Plant your hands. Press the hips back and up into downward dog. Feel free to walk it out here, bending one knee, then the other. Stretch through the backs of the legs. Take a deep inhale. Step forward to the top of your mat. Halfway lift, spine long. Exhale, fold forward. Knees can stay softly bent. Inhale, rise to stand. Arms reach overhead. Exhale, hands come to heart center. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Thank you for joining me this morning. Namaste.